This is one of the reasons why 7890 buttons are not working in some of the ITEL and TECNO button phones. My dear technician, check this out. Here we have a laptop pad. Let me show you. Check this out. This is the reason why the phone is not responding to those buttons when you click them. My dear technician, this is the proof that I fixed it. Check this out. Let me turn on the phone and show you that I fixed it. Check this out. Let me click 0. Check this out. 0 is responding. Let me click 7. Check this out. 7 is responding. 8 is responding. 9 is responding. My dear technician, check this out. Is working perfectly. Check this out. Is working perfectly. My name is Father Joe. My dear technician, if you have any question that you want to ask me, you are free. Let me know in the comment section. Please like this video, comment, share, follow me for more videos. Without time wasted, let me start showing you how you can fix this very simple. My fellow technician, check this out. I'm scraping this place. You may ask, Father Joe, why are you scraping this place? Now let me explain. This place that I'm scraping right now is connected to the laptop pad. Now you understand. So let's proceed. The next thing is for you to carefully apply lead and connect your jumper wire. Take your time to do this. My fellow technician, please take your time to do this. You can see I try many times before I succeed. Check this out. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. I connect my jumper wire again. Check this out. The next thing is for me to use my tissue paper to clean the pest. Very important. Clean it. If not, you're going to fail. Check this out. Make sure you clean it very well. After cleaning, make sure use your UV curing mask. Apply. Check the way I'm doing my own. Apply it. The next thing is for you to use your curing lamp and cure it. Just wait for some times to dry. Check this out. It's dry now. You're good to go. My dear technician, the technique I'm showing you right now, any technician can do it. Whether you're a pro or a novice, you can still do it. Okay, it's very simple. This is micro soldering, so it's very simple. Like I'm using a very simple way, like a very simple method. It's not something that requires a lot of tools. Just your tweezer, your jumper wire, your curing lamp, curing mask, and you're good to go. You can see the way I'm doing. Just turn the wire small. This is very simple to do, okay? My dear technician, just take your time to do it, okay? Just take your time. Make sure that you turn the wire very well, okay? Just take your time to do it. Check this out. You can see my own. I'm taking my time to do it. Set it and you're good to go. This is a very simple method, okay? Even though you're a novice, you can still do this. It's simple. I don't want to use advanced tools. Those advanced tools, I just use my tweezer and then I'm done because I want everybody to understand and do it, okay? Both novice, pro can do this. It's very simple. Check this out. You can see. Apply again and you're good to go. You can see the way I'm doing. Check this out. Very simple. You don't need to waste a lot of time. Apply, lead. Check this out and you're good to go. My dear technician, check this out. I'm done. Clean it. Check this out. You can see I'm done. No time to waste. Check this out. I'm done. The next thing is for me to reball the IC. This is the IC. Check this out. I want to reball the IC right now. Make sure you set it very well. Make sure you set it very well. If not, you're not going to have a good reball. You can see I've set it. The next thing is for me to apply my paste. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Very simple. No time to waste. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out. Apply flux. And you're good to go. The next thing, your IC is ready. Check this out. Let me show you. Let me show you, my dear technician. Check this out. My IC is ready. Check this out. So let me clean my IC and then mount it. Check this out. No time to waste. Very simple something. Do this, collect your money and enjoy your life. Check this out. Check this out. Very clean, very neat. Check this out. No time to waste. My dear technician, I love this work. I love this work. Check this out. I say check this out. So let me mount the IC. No time to waste. My dear technician, please, when mounting IC, do not apply a lot of flux. You can see I apply a lot of flux just for me to show you guys what will happen. Check this out. So never make this mistake. So when you apply a lot of flux, this is what will happen. Okay. Now let me start blowing and show you. Check this out. Check this out. You can see. So the IC shift. So don't apply a lot of flux. Just small and you're good to go. Now I've correct. Now let's go. No time to waste. So let me set it and then start blowing. No time to waste. My dear technician, if you have question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out. I'm blowing right now. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. My dear technician, it is done. You can see it's connected. It is done. My dear technician, it is done. I'm done. I'm done. The next thing is for you to blow a little bit and then shake. No time to waste. I'm done. Check this out. If you have question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Clean it. Clean it, my dear technician. Take your time to do this. I'm done. 7890 button will now work. The phone is back to life. Check this out. After you're done fixing the IC, the next thing is for you to test for short. You can see there's no short. Voltage is flowing in. The next thing is for me to test the power button. Check this out. You can see. Check this out. You can see the 0 button. The negative is reading perfectly, meaning it works like magic. My dear technician, it works like magic. So I check the battery, there's voltage, and let me turn on the phone for you guys to see. Check this out. You can see it's responding. It's responding. My dear technician, it's because I'm holding the phone. So that's why some buttons are short. So let me put in the casing and turn on for you guys to see. Check this out. I'm done. You can see all the buttons are working. The phone is perfectly working. Let me know in the comment section right now if you have learned something new. Let me know. Thank you and bye for now.